Long, miserable process, I'm telling you. Look at those shards. And that's the edge that you have to open it like a book at, and so this is like the edge of the book, and all the flex cables are right there, like that one. Looks like I ripped it almost. I've looked at it with a magnifying glass. It doesn't look like it's ripped. If it is, that'll be good times. So now, gotta clean all the shards of glass around the edge off. Bend these corners back out somehow with my magic, whatever. And put that fucking screen back on there. Good times.